Psychology, a scientific discipline. Introduction. We live in an age of science. Almost every sphere of our life is influenced by sciences. Since the evolution of Homo sapiens as a species, the survival instinct of humankind has led humans to explore the world around them, which gradually led to the development of various sciences. Today, sciences are broadly classified into three basic groups, viz. The physical sciences, physics, chemistry, geology, etc., the biological sciences, zoology, botany, physiology, etc., and the social sciences, psychology, sociology, economics, etc. Some people question whether psychology really is a science or not. To answer this question, you first need to know the answer to two questions, viz. What is science and what is psychology? This chapter aims at answering these two complex questions by providing insights into the topics like key features of science, history of psychology as a science, the research methods in psychology, challenges in establishing psychology as a science, and the importance of rationality. Key features of science. The word science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Science is the pursuit and application of knowledge and understanding of the natural and social world following a systematic methodology based on evidences. The following are some of the key features of science. First, empirical evidence. Science is an evidence-based approach to study and interpret information. Empirical evidence refers to acquiring information through direct observation or experiments. Scientific knowledge is based on verifiable evidence so that other investigators can observe or measure the same phenomena and verify its accuracy in future. Second, objectivity. Science objectively studies the phenomenon under consideration. Objectivity means the ability to see and accept the facts as they are and not as the investigator might wish them to be. Objectivity means that all sources of biases, prejudices, beliefs, wishes, values, preferences, etc. are set aside while investigating a particular phenomenon. Third, scientific causality. Science aims at finding out the cause-effect relationship between variables under consideration. In a scientific study, a researcher tries to control all extraneous variables in order to find out the effect of the independent variable on the dependent variable. Fourth, systematic exploration. Science adopts a certain sequential procedure for studying a particular phenomenon. Sequential procedure includes few scientific steps like identifying the problem, formulation of hypothesis, collection of facts, analyzing of facts, scientific generalization and prediction. Fifth, replication. Replication means reproducibility of scientific knowledge under the same circumstances stated anywhere and anytime. Replication assures the reliability of results and it enables in establishing a scientific theory. Sixth, predictability. Predictability is an important feature of science. Scientists do not merely describe the phenomena being studied, but also attempt to explain it and make predictions accordingly. History of psychology as a science. First, psychology begins as a branch of philosophy. The origin of psychology dates back to the ancient Greeks. Psychology did not emerge directly as a science. Psychology was a branch of philosophy until the 1870s. Second, psychology emerges as a separate discipline in 1879. William Wundt, a German psychologist, established the world's first psychology laboratory in 1879 in Germany at University of Leipzig. This event is considered as the official start of psychology as a separate scientific discipline. Third, emergence of structuralism. Structuralism is widely regarded as the first school of thought in psychology. William Wundt and his student Edward B. Titchener advocated structuralism. William Wundt used the method of introspection to study the conscious experiences like sensation, perception, etc. Fourth, emergence of functionalism. Functionalism was advocated by William James. He is known as the father of American psychology. He emphasized on the study of human consciousness. Fifth, emergence of psychoanalysis. In contrast to the early schools of thoughts, an Austrian physician named Sigmund Freud proposed a theory of psychoanalysis in early 1890s. He gave importance to the study of the unconscious mind. Sixth, emergence of behaviorism. During the early 20th century, an American psychologist named John B. Watson advocated a new school of thought known as behaviorism. Behaviorism rejected both the study of conscious experiences and unconscious mind and made psychology a more scientific discipline by focusing on the study of observable behaviors. Seventh, emergence of humanistic psychology. The first half of the 20th century was dominated by psychoanalysis and behaviorism. During the second half of the 20th century, Carl Rogers, an American psychologist, advocated the new perspective known as humanistic psychology. In contrast to the study of unconsciousness, advocated by psychoanalysis, and determinism advocated by behaviorism, humanistic psychology stressed upon the study of power of free will, self-determination, and self-actualization.